Hi guys, welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. So today we'll draw sharks with circles. Wow, that seems interesting, right? First you will draw three circles, then let's add the fins, we'll draw the teeth and the eyes for the shark. Still here it's easy, right? Now let's add fins more and let's add the body with the tail. Wow! Don't you think the shark looks sweet, right? We'll repeat the process for the other three sharks. And you know what you need to do? You need to press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates of my latest video as soon as I post it. So have you quickly thought of a beautiful color for the sharks? We'll color it with different color, right? Now let's draw the ocean or the sea, right? So where the shark can live in. Now we'll add some plants. Those are the underwater plants, some rocks and small fishes. And let's add some gills. Wow, these are so easy, right? And sweet. See, I've colored with this color. And what you need to do, you need to like, share, and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya for more such content.